everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Megan and I hope you're all having a fantastic week so far. Today's video is inspired by Molly-Mae and it's how I get curls like she does. In this picture here, I will put it up on the screen. Now she does a pin curled look and she's also brought out a hair curling kit. I'm going to show you how to get curls like Molly-Mae without investing in this £90 kit that she has. So I just want to save you guys a bit of money and yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first things first is you get a barrel curling wand in her kit, and it also comes with sectioning clips. So I went out to Primark and I just bought these £1 sectioning clips. I bought 2 boxes because I didn't know how many I would need for my hair, as I would normally use hair grips, but for the sake of this video I wanted it to be exactly like Molly-Mae's curling kit that she has come out with. And then I've just got a normal barrel wand. Mine is this is a GHD one, but you could use any curling barrel wand. You could use like a Babyliss one, things like that. Any of them would work, so you don't have to invest in this $89.99 kit from Molly-Mae. You can get curls without spending all of that money, especially if you are on a tight budget. Like I said, this is my mum's and these were £1, so I'm effectively recreating her look for £1. But yeah, so I've been curling my hair for years. My hair is quite long. Every time I curl my hair, I do get compliments from everyone. So it is probably something that I am most confident with when I go out. I always like to have my hair curled because it just makes me feel good. So yeah, I do have a few curling tips that I can share with you guys. The first thing that I like to do before I start curling my hair is I will just brush my hair out and make sure there are no knots in it at all. Now the second tip that I'm going to give you is I do normally like to curl my hair either on the second day, or if I've washed it in the morning I like to curl it at night. I always find that my curls last longer if I am on second day hair or even half day hair, but if I'm not, I do have one product that I do tend to use. So I just use this, and it is just the Label M texturizing volume spray. I literally just spray this on my hair like this, and it is a little bit sort of, I think it's more for men when they style their hair, but I just like to put it on mine, and you can feel it. It gives it just a bit of texture, and I always find that curls hold better when your hair is a little bit greasy or it's got some texture in it. If you don't have this, you could either use like a little bit of hair wax maybe, or some hairspray, so you could spray your hair first before you curl them. And yeah, the third tip that I'm going to show you is when you curl your hair, you should always curl away from your face like this, because it just really opens up your face and it looks a lot more flattering than if you were to curl inwards like that. It really closes you off, and it always makes your curls look a lot more bouncy if you curl the ones closest to your face outwards. To get curls like Molly-Mae, I am going to be curling each side of my hair outwards all the way back, just because of the look that she goes for. She does do pin curl look, and it's kind of more like a pin-up look at the end. So first things first, I'm just going to section my hair off. So yeah, I'm aware that I do look a little bit ridiculous. Right, so I've got my section here, so normally get like about 1 to 2 inches. This one might be a little bit big, but I'm going for a bigger curl look today. So like I said before, if you just curl it away from your face, and I'm just going to let that go. And then you don't want the curl to drop, because you want to curl it up, and then you want to get the curl and pin it to your head just like that, as you effectively want the curls to cool in this position, and this will just really help your curls last a lot longer as well if they cool while they're curled. And then I'll just repeat the same thing. So this one I'm just going to join up with the other curl, the other sectioning clip, sorry, and put them both in there. So I've just done 2 now. It's going to take me ages if I film it, so I will catch in with you once I've done my whole head basically. So I am back now. I've got my hair all in the pin curls. I don't know whether you can see that. It doesn't look as good as when Molly-Mae does it, but I mean, it's Molly-Mae, she is a goddess, so it's not going to. So it is a little bit of a fail what I look like compared to her, but I have just got them all in their little pin curls. So I'm just gonna spray them with hairspray. So I'm just gonna spray that with hairspray now. I've just got the L'Oreal hairspray. Look at those. A little spray, and then I am just gonna wait for about 20 to 30 minutes now, just to make sure all of the curls are going to set properly and cool down, and in the meantime I'm gonna go and eat my tea because I am starving. So I will see you when I come back. Hello, so it's been about 30 minutes now of just eating my tea, so I'm gonna take all of the pins out now, and then I will show you how Molly-Mae styles them, basically. If I can even get them out of my hair. She makes it seem so simple. So this is what my hair looks like where they're all out of the pins. I normally turn my head upside down and loosely shake it, and then they all sort of fall apart, but they are still quite curly like this. If I've got a picture, I'll insert it here on how my hair normally looks, but that's not what Molly-Mae does. If you actually watch how she does her hair tutorial, she would then grab a brush. Mine is slightly different to the one that comes in her pack, but to be honest, this is a paddle brush, so I feel like it will do pretty much the same job. What she does is she just then goes through and brushes all of the curls. You can already see the difference. I'm too close to the camera, aren't I? You can already see the difference. I feel like mine's a bit of a fail compared to hers. Hers seem to be a bit more bouncy, but maybe that's just my hair type. Or it might even be my brush. Maybe you do need a brush similar to hers. And there we go, that is the finished look. So this is how my hair turned out after I brushed the curls out. I know Molly-Mae does like to flip her hair over kind of like this, so she doesn't have a middle part in. Kind of like this. Ooh. So yeah, she doesn't have a middle part in her hair, so it's probably a little bit more like this. So yeah, this is just the finished look, and then I would just get some hairspray and spray it all. Obviously curls look different on blonde hair, and Molly-Mae has got blonde hair, so hers probably, the texture of her curls will probably look a little bit different to mine, but I feel like it turned out pretty good. And yeah, anyway everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked how my hair turned out, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you did enjoy this video, then if you hit that red subscribe button, it would really help me out a lot. Yeah, I can't thank you enough for watching the video and getting up to this point in it. So I hope you all have a fabulous week, and don't forget that I do upload on Mondays and Fridays, and it's coming up to Christmas, so there'll be lots of Christmassy videos coming up on this space as well. So don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of the Christmassy things that are coming up. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video, and bye bye. Hi guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and follow me on my Instagram @meglev_. They'll all be linked down below. Bye!